Hello and welcome. My name is Isreal and I'm an English tutor from Nigeria. I teach adults, beginners, and children, and I have experience helping students improve their speaking, vocabulary, and confidence. I got my English degrees in one of the Nigeria universities in Nigeria. My lessons are very simple, very clear, and practical. I focus on real life English so that you can understand and speak naturally and comfortably. I'm very patient, very supportive, and I adjust my lessons to each student's level. If you want to learn English in a friendly and easy way, I would love to teach you. So, what are you waiting for? Why not book a session with me and get to learn a lot from me? Thank you, and may God bless you.